The kidneys play a crucial role in maintaining our body's overall health by filtering waste, excess fluids, and toxins from the blood. However, due to modern diets, pollution, and unhealthy lifestyles, the kidneys often become overburdened, leading to potential health complications like kidney stones, urinary tract infections, UTIs, and even chronic kidney disease. Fortunately, nature offers a powerful herbal remedy to cleanse and support kidney function: dandelion root. In this detailed guide, we will explore everything about dandelion root as a kidney cleanser, including its health benefits, how it works, different methods of preparation, and safety precautions. What is dandelion root? Dandelion, Taraxacum officinale, is often seen as a common weed, but it has been used for centuries in traditional medicine due to its numerous health benefits. While the leaves are often used in salads and as a mild diuretic, the root is particularly valuable for kidney health and detoxification. Dandelion root is packed with beneficial nutrients and bioactive compounds, including inulin, a prebiotic fiber that supports gut and kidney health; potassium, important for electrolyte balance and hydration; flavonoids, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties; triterpenes and sterols, which help detoxify the liver and kidneys. Due to these properties, dandelion root is one of the most effective natural kidney cleansers available. How does dandelion root cleanse the kidneys? Dandelion root benefits kidney health in several ways. 1. Acts as a natural diuretic. One of the primary functions of dandelion root is its diuretic effect. This means it increases urine production, helping to flush out toxins, excess salts, and waste products from the kidneys. Unlike synthetic diuretics, dandelion root is rich in potassium, preventing electrolyte imbalances while supporting kidney function. 2. Supports detoxification. Dandelion root stimulates kidney function, allowing for the efficient removal of metabolic waste. By enhancing detoxification, it prevents toxin buildup in the body, reducing the risk of kidney stones, infections, and inflammation. 3. Reduces water retention and swelling. People who suffer from water retention, edema, due to poor kidney function can benefit from dandelion root tea or supplements. The diuretic action helps reduce swelling and bloating by eliminating excess fluids naturally. 4. Prevents and dissolves kidney stones. Kidney stones form due to the accumulation of calcium, oxalates, and uric acid. Dandelion root helps break down these deposits while promoting healthy urine flow, reducing the risk of kidney stone formation. 5. Fights urinary tract infections, UTIs. Dandelion root has antimicrobial properties, making it effective against harmful bacteria that cause UTIs and bladder infections. When combined with cranberry juice, dandelion root tea can help flush out bacteria and prevent recurring infections. 6. Supports liver and digestive health. Since the kidneys and liver work together to remove toxins, dandelion root's ability to support liver detoxification also benefits kidney function. It enhances bile production, aiding digestion and reducing the load on the kidneys. How to use dandelion root for kidney health. There are several ways to consume dandelion root, each offering unique benefits. Below are some of the best ways to prepare and use dandelion root as a kidney cleanser. 1. Dandelion root tea, best for daily use. Ingredients: 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried dandelion root, 1 cup of hot water. Honey, optional for taste. Instructions: 1. Boil 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried dandelion root in 1 cup of water for 10 to 15 minutes. 2. Strain the liquid and let it cool slightly. 3. Add honey if desired and drink once or twice daily. Benefits: flushes out toxins from the kidneys, supports digestion and liver detoxification, prevents urinary infections. 2. Dandelion root powder or capsules, for convenience. If you prefer a quick and easy method, you can use dandelion root powder or capsules available in organic stores or herbal shops. Dosage: dandelion root powder. Take 1/2 teaspoon mixed with warm water or juice once daily. Capsules: take as directed on the product label, usually 1 to 2 capsules per day. 3. Fresh dandelion root juice, highly potent cleanser. Ingredients: fresh dandelion root, about 1 small handful. 1 cup of water. Honey or lemon, optional. Instructions: 1. Wash and chop fresh dandelion roots. 2. Blend with 1 cup of water until smooth. 3. Strain and drink fresh. Benefits: more concentrated than tea. Provides a higher amount of nutrients. Great for detoxifying both liver and kidneys. 4. Dandelion root tincture for long-term use. A dandelion root tincture is an alcohol-based extract that preserves its medicinal properties for longer shelf life. Dosage: take 30 to 40 drops, 1 to 2 milliliters. In water 2 to 3 times daily. Benefits: highly concentrated formula. Supports kidney and liver detoxification. Longer shelf life, up to 2 years. Precautions and side effects. While dandelion root is safe for most people, there are some precautions to keep in mind. Who should avoid dandelion root? People on diuretics or blood pressure medication. Since dandelion root is a natural diuretic, it may interact with prescribed diuretics or blood pressure medications. Individuals with kidney disease. If you have a pre-existing kidney condition, consult a doctor before using dandelion root. Allergic reactions. Some individuals may be allergic to dandelion, especially those with ragweed allergies. People on blood thinners. Dandelion may affect blood clotting, so those on blood thinning medications should use caution. Possible side effects: mild stomach upset, increased urination. Rare allergic reactions. To avoid complications, start with small doses and observe how your body reacts. In final thoughts, why you should use dandelion root for kidney health. Dandelion root is a natural, affordable, and highly effective remedy for cleansing the kidneys, reducing water retention, preventing kidney stones, and supporting urinary health. Whether you drink it as tea, take it in capsule form, or use it as a tincture, this powerful herb can significantly improve kidney function when used correctly. If you are interested in more organic remedies for kidney health and overall well-being, subscribe to Organic Foods Ghana on YouTube, where we share the best natural health tips, remedies, and food guides. Have you tried dandelion root for kidney cleansing? Share your experience in the comments.